Now, this budget policy statement, looking at it, does not lie heavy on the key pillar. I see a lot of programs that actually do not address the main reason why the National Lands Commission was set. I've not gone into why the National Lands Commission, but I'm looking at the key policy, equitable access to land. But if you look at it, I think I do not know whether, I think probably 30% of your budget will go to this, like titling programs and settling squatters, and ensuring that people have equitable access to land. Looking at the whole BPS, I've gone through it, I've read the budget statement from the Treasury, but I see a disconnect, that it does not address the key principles. So I do not know what, as a National Lands Commission, really, why it should exist if it does not really address the issues that it was set out to do. Because if you want to know Aban's vision and where he's going, look at his budget. And looking at it, I do not think you're going the direction of the Constitution. Thank you.
There are many ordinary Kenyans. What we did is that we opened up the space for the land sector. Before the commission came on board, what maybe many of you didn't know, the land sector, the ministry was a very closed area. Compensation used to go on. Nobody was talking about it. All these land issues used to go on. Nobody used to talk about it. But when the commission came on board and the constitution required that we must do public participation, we opened up the land sector to everybody so that we are open to scrutiny. People can interrogate, people can ask, people can talk. And I think we've done well in that area. And I can tell you, Madam, many ordinary Kenyans have been assisted, particularly those who have no money to go and fight in court against land grabbers, fraudsters, people stealing their land. If you are to ask many Kenyans, they would say the commission has done as well. The commission has saved my land. The commission has made me recover what had been lost through fraudulent schemes through elsewhere.